Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Barbara Smiley here. I'm decided to vlog me decorating the inside of my car. It's a nice day today. It's Thursday, April the 17th. Temperatures around like low 60s. The sun is shining. I've been waiting for the weather to break so I could come out here and decorate and bling out my car. This would be my first car that I've ever wanted to like bling out or decorate in a girly fashion. This is the outside of the car. I don't know if you can see that. That's gray, like a dark gray. You know, of course, silver rims. And all the accents on the outside are silver and black. Silver rims and, you know. So, and here's the cream interior. I love the color inside. I love the cream seats. So I'm gonna actually start with these little things. Now these are some things that I bought myself from the Dollar Tree. I might put this on. And then I love butterflies. So you can see there's a pink one right there in the middle. And then I have some pink hearts. If you can see that, pink hearts. And then this is just a decorative border that I bought from Dollar Tree a while ago from Amazon for some other decorating I was doing. As you can see, it's silver. It's like the silver rhinestones. Decorating, you know, around my vents right here. See, around there, like that. And then I also had this hearts, because I like hearts too. I like hearts and butterflies side. So, okay, first in the bag, pink cup holder coasters for my 2 cup holders right here. So that's that. Okay, next thing, I just finished. Next thing is a panoramic rearview mirror. Okay, next thing is I wanted license plate covers. So I found a site that had 2 for the front and the back. It's pink, so I got 2, front and back. So I said, I want to put a front license plate on. So I found this one. It's just, I think it's made of aluminum. It's not metal like steel or, you know, like our regular license plates. But it's like a big blank space right here. And I'm going to actually put something there. I want to put Nana because I am a Nana of 4. And the license plates also come with little screws. Well, screws and the little covers that goes over the screws too. Okay, I'm gonna start with putting together the little air freshener.
My AI just changed. You just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they pre-knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to, like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk, then go tell my story. It don't work like that when you lost somebody. My old flex is my new flex now, and we're working on it. And that's why I need all the energy that you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I'd lie for you. I think I'd die for you. Do things when you want me to, like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller.
I did finish my license plate in the front, and that's it right there. Here's the finished product. That's my front license plates, and if you can't really read it, it says Nana. Okay, so we're gonna move back inside the car, and I'm gonna do a little extra decorating in here that I couldn't do yesterday because I didn't have the pink rhinestone trim, but since it came in the mail, so we get started. So okay, I'll be back.
Here comes the sun. Let's try to taste them all again. As the sound of love making shades off the walls. Ooh, this might not be the bedroom, but I'm gonna love you, girl, gently.
So this vlog is going to be the ending as of right now, because if I add something else, I'm actually not going to vlog it, because I just need to be done with this video so I can edit and get it up and get it out there. So I want to take you around and give you a tour of everything I've done and the, finishing touches, and I hope you all like it. So let's get started. Hope you like it. It's been a journey, just, you know, doing this. I've had some fun with it. And just like I said, I call it simple and sweet, you know. So that's the last like look of it from like that, like that. So I'm gonna say thank you for joining me. I appreciate you all. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and I really appreciate it. And I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.